Today I'm going to show you how to use Seedance 2.0 for free. Completely free AI video generation. No watermark, no fees. I researched and personally tested over 50 tools to put this together. And as of May 2026, everything you're about to see is working and up to date. A lot of what I tested was either paid or immediately asking for credit card info, so I cut all of that out. Every tool in this video is completely free, and you'll be able to generate real Seedance 2.0 AI videos without spending a single dollar. One thing worth knowing up front, Seedance 2.0 is a massive model. It requires serious computing power. That's exactly why we need to use different platforms and methods to access it for free. But don't worry, that's exactly what this video is for. Let's get into it. Our first tool is Creative Fabrica. If you're a designer, editor, or photographer, you've probably already heard of this site. It's well known as a stock resource. But head over to studio.creativefabrica.com and sign in with Google. When you log in, the Studio AI tool gives you 5,000 credits. But honestly, that's not enough for a Seedance 2.0 video. So our method here is to activate a free trial account. Go to the Try for Free page. You'll need a prepaid card or virtual card, but don't panic. They don't charge anything. Enter your details, hit Activate Free Trial, and just like that, you now have 30,000 credits total. Go to the AI video generator section. I had my prompt ready, added my reference image, set it to 720p, 16:9, 11 seconds, and hit generate. The result? Honestly, I was blown away. I genuinely loved it. I just wish it were longer, but we're using a premium model completely for free, so 11 seconds is more than enough. I'm putting the prompt in the description if you want to recreate it. There are also a ton of other features on Creative Fabrica worth exploring. And if you have multiple accounts, you can keep creating those trending style videos. And here's an extra bonus I want to mention. Once you activate the trial, you also unlock free fonts, templates, and bundles on the main Creative Fabrica site. That's a solid bonus on top of the free Seedance 2.0 video generation. Clean, watermark-free output. Genuinely impressed. The only requirement here was a prepaid or virtual card, but not all my tools need that. Stay with me. Next up is Wavespeed.ai, a platform packed with AI image and video generation tools all in one place. I signed in with Google and instantly got $1 in free credits. No card, no hassle. I clicked on Video Generator, selected Seedance 2.0 Turbo. It's the more efficient option for free usage. You can choose the regular model too, but you'll need to reduce the duration. I added my own reference image, wrote my prompt, set it to 720p, 7 seconds, and hit generate. The result? The first frame wasn't perfect, but my face was integrated into the character and the motion sync was actually really nice. In hindsight, I could have tried 480p with the non-turbo model for a different look. If you test that, drop your results in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to see what you get. So, sign up at Wavespeed, get your free $1, and you've got a watermark-free Seedance 2.0 video. That's simple. And if you have multiple accounts, each one gets that free credit. Real quick, if you've watched this far and this video is actually helping you, hit like and drop a comment telling me what country you're watching from. I read every single comment, and it genuinely motivates me to keep making these. Subscribing literally takes 2 seconds, and it means more than you know. Our third option is actually 2 tools in one, CapCut and Pippit.ai. I'm combining them because they're owned by the same company, and with a single account, you can use Seedance 2.0 on both platforms separately. Head to CapCut's website and sign in with Google. Here's something important. Do not type your prompt in the chat section on the homepage. When you do, the system rewrites your prompt automatically, you get a completely different video, and your credits burn anyway. Instead, go to Create New, arrow, Video Studio, arrow, try Dreamina Seedance 2.0. Delete the default prompt at the top and write your own. Set it to 16:9, 720p, and this is critical. Set it to 15 seconds. You only get one shot here, so make it as long as possible. Write your prompt and generate. While that's rendering, immediately open Pippit.ai and sign in with the same Google account. From the homepage, select Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Fast. Set it to 15 seconds, 16:9, and send. The reason I'm doing both at the same time, CapCut and Pippit share the same underlying technology. Sometimes your free Seedance generation on CapCut actually uses Pippit's allocation. So the strategy is log in, generate, switch, generate, back and forth to maximize what you get. Back on CapCut, the video is ready. My prompt had a tiger, a donkey, and an elephant racing. The animation quality and sound design were genuinely impressive. Then on Pippit, same story. Top quality, great audio. One important tip: if you're building a longer video, plan your prompts in advance and split them. A 30-second story equals two 15-second prompts, one for CapCut, one for Pippit. But be very detailed and consistent across both. In my prompts, the tiger was on a racing-style motorcycle in part 1, but the motorcycle style changed in part 2 because I didn't specify it. Details matter. Now on credits. CapCut gives 300 free credits on sign-up. A 15-second video costs 210, leaving you 90. Not enough for another full video. Pippit gives you 320 credits plus 120 daily credits, and you can earn more through in-app tasks. If you activate a 7-day free trial on Pippit with a prepaid or virtual card, you get an extra 747 credits. Still no charge. I tried the full Seedance 2.0 model, non-fast, which burns 41 credits per second. Started with 1,297 credits, ended with 682 after one video. Honestly, the fast model is better value. Same quality, much lower credit cost. Between CapCut and Pippit together, you can easily produce a full minute of Seedance 2.0 video in segments. Important reminder: always cancel your trial at least 1 day before it ends. That's the whole point of using prepaid or virtual cards. There's no balance to charge anyway. One more thing, both CapCut and Pippit do add watermarks to some exports. The easiest fix is to crop the video, or stay until the end. I found a tool that removes logos entirely, and I'll show you how to get it for free. Tool number 4 is Rita. Sign in with Google, get 100 free credits. Go to the AI video section, add your reference image, write your prompt, set it to 7 seconds, 16:9, 480p, and hit generate. It might throw an error occasionally. Just try again. It works fine. The result is genuinely great. High quality, clean output. And all I did was sign in with Google. Nothing else. That's it. If you have multiple Google accounts, you already know what to do. Fifth tool is NoteGPT. Here's the thing though. If you sign up with a regular email, you don't get any credits. But if you have an EDU email, you unlock 1 full month of free premium access. If you don't have an EDU email, don't worry. Go to edumailfree.com, grab a free one, and use it to register on NoteGPT. Go to Plans, select Education, click Get 1 month free now, and your account is instantly upgraded with 100 premium credits. Head to the AI video generator, select Seedance 2.0 Fast, set it to 16:9, 8 seconds, 480p, write your prompt, and generate. Clean Seedance 2.0 quality output, just like that. And the best part? You can repeat this method as many times as you want. New EDU email, new account, unlimited free Seedance 2.0 videos. I've been getting a lot of questions about watermark removal, so I want to address it properly here. The easiest free method is just cropping the video. But if you don't want to lose any of the frame, I found something really useful recently. There's a site I genuinely recommend you follow. It updates daily and weekly with free license keys for paid software. The tool is called Remove Logo Now 11, normally $80. Hit download, enter your email, click Give it to me now, install it, enter the license key, and you've got a full 12-month license, completely free. I tested it on one of my Seedance 2.0 videos that had a watermark, and it actually worked. The watermark is barely noticeable afterward. Not perfect, but honestly really good considering it's completely free. So that's everything. I tested all of these tools for you, generated real videos with each one, and put together what I genuinely believe are the best free ways to use Seedance 2.0 right now as of May 2026. I didn't receive any payment or sponsorship from any of these platforms. I just researched and compiled this for you. All the links and video prompts are in the description below. If you have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. It genuinely makes me happy when you do. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.